Okay, hi guys. Nandito naman tayo sa Java tutorial series. Ang ating pag-usapan ngayon ay if and nested if statement. So dito tayo sa definition. Okay. If else statement. The if and else statement allows a single statement or group of code to be evaluated with a condition is true. Second is simplest and the most powerful statement. It plays major role in development in the real world program. So ito guys, ang if else statement ay isang napaka simpleng statement at marami itong magagawa sa application o sa program. Okay, proceed tayo sa general form, okay, of if else statement. The condition if gets true, then the statement 1 is executed. If gets false, then else statement is executed. Okay, then here's the structure of the if statement. If the condition is true, then the statement if is executed. If not, then the else statement is executed. Okay, if and else is the keyword, then the condition is statement is returns to boolean value. Then okay, so in the condition it should return to boolean value which is true or false. If the okay condition if true, then it returns to this his or its statement. Okay, so the next is statement to execute. Then curly brace, every every condition has curly braces of group of statement. O pwede naman yung walang curly brace, pero kung marami yung code, for example sa statement meron kang if nested if, then i-curly brace mo na. Okay, proceed tayo sa ating example. Okay, so gumawa ko ng program na user define, then scanner ako. Then okay, sa scanner which is kung anong input sa ating system, for example sa keyboard or sa mouse. Okay, so ma-detect niya, then ang corresponding value niya sa input is okay, so kung ano yung integer or sa ating keyboard na ma-input, ang number yung equal na value niya. Okay, for example grade. So okay, for example if we input 80, so then 80 is greater than 70 equals true, then 80 less than 100 equals true, and then true and true equals false. So na-discuss ko na yan sa operators. So kung hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan yun, pwede pwede nyo balikan yun yung operators. Okay, so it return here, so true and true equals true. Okay, so ipiprint niya yung statement na ito which is remark is passed. Okay, for example run natin yan. For example 80, input tayo ng 80, so remark is pass. Then for example if we enter below 70 or 50 or 69, then the remark is failed. So ganun lang ka simple yun guys. So proceed tayo sa ating PowerPoint. Okay, so working of if and else on else if statement. Then the condition if gets false, then proceed to another if condition until the condition is satisfied. Okay, fine. Okay, so if the condition is false, then merong condition dito. Okay. Kung merong condition dito guys, kung false dito, iti-test na sa next line. Then iti-test niya kung if it is true. If false, then proceed siya dito. If true, then this statement is executed. So proceed tayo sa example guys, sa if and else if statement. Okay, dito. Okay, nandito tayo sa grade. Okay, if for example, if we input 90, so dito siya sa grade is A. Okay, your grade is A. For example, 80 is greater than, okay, di ba? 90. Or for example, we input 80. So 80 greater than false. So dito ay true. Then false and true equals false. So proceed siya dito guys. Okay, it result here whole statement to condition it result false. So dito tayo sa second line. Okay, so next is 80 is greater than 79, true. Then 80 less than 90 equals true. So it result siya sa B if we input 80. If not, then proceed siya sa ganon-ganon lang yan guys. Okay, let's try. Okay, we input 80 here in the console. Okay, so it result letter B. Okay, grade is B. So ganun lang yan guys. For example, if we input 1,000, anong mangyayari guys? So false lahat siya dito guys. False. So pupunta siya sa else. So 1,000. Okay, input is error. So ganun lang yan guys. So proceed naman tayo sa ating PowerPoint. Okay, nested if statement. Okay, a nested if statement, if a statement inside another statement or else. Maybe many statement condition in the nested if statement. Check more than one condition. Okay, so dito tayo sa general form of nested if statement. If the condition is condition 1 is true, then proceed siya sa kanyang statement. So kanina guys, na discuss natin yung statement ay here is the a curly braces is a group of statement. So dito guys is nasa ilalim siya ng nasa loob siya ng statement. So pwede kang curly brace, pwede kayong create ng maraming condition or statement. Okay, so if it is true, then punta yung compiler dito sa next line. Okay, if it is false, then punta siya dito guys. If true, if false, then punta siya sa else statement at dun. Okay, tapos na. Okay, so dito niya i-execute yung program. So proceed tayo sa nested if example. Okay, user define naman tayo dito guys. If age is for example 30, so age 30 less than, okay, then 30 equals true. So pupunta siya sa statement sa dito guys, kasi if for example 30 is less than 100 then 30 greater than 0, then pupunta siya sa dito. The next is meron namang condition guys. If age is for example 30 greater than 0, okay, true, then age less than 15, 30 less than 15, false. Then next line naman siya sa next. Okay, so else if 30 greater than 15, true. Then age 30 less than 25 equals false, so it result false. The next is 30 is greater than 24 equals true. Then 30 less than 64, so dito siya ma-execute guys. So adults yung category. Okay, so let's try. For example, 30. Okay, 30, so adults yung category guys. Okay, so ito na. So ganyan lang kasimple yung else if statement guys. So I hope nga meron kayong natutunan dito guys, at salamat sa panonood, at huwag niyong kalimutan kung nagustuhan niyo, kung gusto niyo pang makita ng maraming video ko, i-hit niyo lang yung subscribe at yung all na sa notification. At maraming salamat po.